What you're about to see is a video project in partial fulfillment of the course requirement in NATC 13. Disclaimer: not everything in this video is real. Some of the information that are stated here are vague. Also, credits to the owners of the pictures and information used in making this video. Eastern Visayas is considered to be a tropical rainforest biome. Tropical rainforest is a luxuriantly dense community of flora and fauna that occupies a major habitat that is rich in biodiversity, which is found typically in areas that is very hot and humid and with consistent heavy rainfall. What to wear: comfortable shirt, shorts or pants, raincoat, boots and hiking shoes, extra clothes, socks. What to bring: passport, pen, camera, flashlight, first aid kit, whistle, extra batteries. So, are you interested in the said tour and vacation package? What are you waiting for? Call us now at +6 3 9 1 9 9 8 7 6 5 4 3. We would be waiting for your calls.